Combining the best of yesterday with the best of today and tomorrow, this impressive 69 Camaro is tailored to the muscle car fan who wants the absolute best. And if you've been languishing at your desk, debating a purchase while your favorite F-bodies vanish from our inventory, it's a rare chance at sweet redemption. Chevy's first-generation Camaro literally defined mid-century style. However, while this Camaro's looks remain timeless, its condition did not. That's why Classic Muscle Car Motor Company conducted a professional ground-up restoration that transformed a retro-cool pony car into a Restomod superstar. That thoughtful reboot involved solid panels, excellent panel alignment, and a lot of attention to detail. And quality Axalta 2-stage seals glossy black base under a charcoal top stripe and orange outlining stripes. Open the doors and you'll find a custom interior that puts a unique spin on an old favorite. Leather-trimmed seats center alligator-style inserts in bright orange stitches. A custom dash hangs classic instruments gauges behind a flat instrument panel and modern audio. The full-length console founds a billet shifter between switches for power windows and vintage air climate control, and a half-wrapped Billet Specialties steering wheel laps a tilting column. Lift the steel hood and you'll find 6.2 liters of GM small block. That LS376 twists 525 horsepower through a Tremec 5-speed manual back to a strange 9-inch with 373 gears. Well-built, fully detailed, and attention-grabbing in every way, this Camaro backs a lot of show with a whole lot of go. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.